Good morning, everybody. I have... I have some super crazy exciting news to share with everybody, although no one else will find it as exciting as me, but I am super excited. So I follow this amazing band called Hanson, and yes, that is Mbop Hanson for all you old people. No, I'm joking. I've been following them for about 4 years now, and I'm super obsessed. I'm a part of the fan club, which you have to pay $40 a year to be a part of. My mother was a Hanson fan when she was like 12. She started me on the craze. I was raised on them. I didn't become a super fan until 2018, and that's when I became crazy. But they are about to release a new album, which I'm super excited about. They just released their new single like 4 days ago. And like 2 days after they released it, I got an email saying, congratulations, you get to interview Hanson about their new single because you're a member of the super fan club. I thought it was a scam at first. I was extremely annoyed that someone would pull such a terrible joke on me, but it is not a scam. It's real, and it's happening today, which I am so excited about, and I'm terribly nervous. I'm not super nervous about talking to them. I'm just nervous that the internet's not gonna work, and I'm gonna be talking to them for like 20 minutes about the song, asking them some questions, and then they're gonna be posting it on the Superfan group. So if you're not a member, sadly you will not be able to listen. But I just wanted to tell everybody because it is so exciting for me. I'm over the moon, and I can't wait. Oh yeah, I'm really excited. I asked them, and we weren't allowed to record it because it's an exclusive members podcast. But I will be recording me setting up for it and maybe silencing me actually talking to them. And yeah, so you guys will get to come along. I wanted to tell you a few days ago, but honestly I was terrified that it was actually a scam. So I waited until today to tell everybody, but I've been like going crazy for the past 3 days trying to figure out the questions I want to ask, how to word the questions, telling all my friends about it because I'm super excited, and all that stuff. So I just thought I'd let you guys know. Now I have to wait like 5 hours before it happens, so yeah, I'm really excited. Okay, we are at the 2 hour until launch mark time. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm really excited, a little bit nervous, and I'm gonna show you guys my setup and where I'm going to be recording it. So here's the van, got my notes, got the laptop, the headphones, the water, and here I have 2 buckets stacked on top of each other with my mic set on top. So I'm gonna plug that into the laptop, use my headphones to hear them. Apparently, Bethany and my mother have their headphones, so they're gonna plug into my headphones and sit back there and eavesdrop on me. So that'll be great. I'm really excited, like really excited. I just hope I don't say anything dumb or choke on my words because I tend to do that sometimes when I get nervous, but I'm sure it'll be really exciting and really fun. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'm really considering just sitting in here for the next 2 hours waiting for it to start, but that's probably not good for me, and I should probably do something productive before it starts. Yeah. I like knowing the technical. I'm just worried that mine are gonna sound like people. Who cares about the technical and how long it took to write the song? I'm in the emotion.
All right, ADRI. We're 35 minutes away. How are you feeling?
Excited and terrified at the same time.
Are you gonna make it?
I hope so.
All right. Have you eaten today?
Yes.
Have you drank water today?
Lots. Probably too much.
You should probably go to the bathroom before we start. It's just about time.
I'm really scared.
Yeah, 12 minutes. She's already got the laptop ready.
Everything set up.
Microphone ready. Yeah, I'll get it. ADRI's getting really tense because that's how she gets. She's very particular about things. Duh. So it's just about time. So we cannot play the actual recording on our channel, so you'll get to see her, but you won't get to hear it because it's not our copyright.
It's exclusive.
It's exclusive. So you get to watch her talk. You just don't get to hear it.
Zing mama, zing mama, zing mama, zing. Hey, you're not the one talking.
I want to do it!
Sing mama, zing 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 zing zing.
She's trying to make sure she's all warmed up.
Mama,
Not that she's singing
mash
for
my
them.
M&Ms. Well, you never know.
We're in the van so that it's a little quieter, so that we don't have a bunch of kids running in and interrupting and jumping on laps and all that. So Daddy's with the kids in the bus, and we're in the van where it's quiet. We got the door open right now because it's a little warmer today, but as the countdown comes to an end, we will close the door and be ready.
This is a motivational speech from my best friend because she knew I would need it for the thing. Okay, you are gonna be amazing. You are amazing. Just breathe. Everything is gonna be great because you are so great. You've got this, and I'll be there for you whenever you need me to, and I'm so happy this is happening. This is gonna be a great memory, and you will absolutely be amazing. I love you so much, Adri. No matter what happens, all will be great, and I will be here for you always. Heart, heart, winky face. Good luck. Clap, clap. What?
I like how you added the clap.
That's what she put. Clap, clap.
She said to breathe, not.
I'm terrified.
7 minutes.
I'm gonna mess up, and they're gonna laugh at me, but at least I'll be really popular on Hanson.net.
So as the backstory, when I was a teenager, I was a super Hanson fan. I loved them. I spent all of my money that I got from working for my mom every week pretty much on magazines. And if they had a new album out, I would line up for new albums when they came out, which they didn't actually put out a whole ton when I was...
They only put out 2.
They had their 3-car garage album.
No, it's only 2.
And Snowed In.
Oh yeah, I forgot about Snowed In.
But my walls and ceilings in my bedroom were plastered with posters and cutouts and anything I could find Hanson. Somebody made me a Hanson pillowcase with an iron-on, which I refused to sleep on because I was not gonna drool on my Hanson pillowcase. So it just stayed beside me.
That sounds like
And I slept. Not only were there posters all over my walls and my ceiling, I had stacks and stacks of them waiting to go up because I just never had enough time to get them all on my walls. And I had dreams eventually of putting glass over my desk in my room and having Hanson pictures all underneath it. And yes, so eventually I grew up, got married, found myself a man, and
She didn't need Hanson anymore.
I didn't need them anymore. I still really enjoy their music, but I definitely passed on my obsession to my teenage daughter. So we get to listen to Hanson together. Michael actually really likes their music too.
But they
so-
make me pay for all of it now. They get all the benefits, but I have to pay for it all.
I never joined the fan club member as a teenager because
She wasn't cool enough.
I was poor. I didn't have enough money because I only got $20 a week, and I spent that every week on more magazines. Oh, Adri's sniffing, trying to calm herself down. What time? What's the time on there? 27? All
Yeah.
right, we're gonna close the van door, get my headphones on, and get ready. Get ready to rock. Here we go.
Scary. I have to go like.
It's 2:30. No touching her, no distracting her, no waving your hands, no getting excited and jumping around. You have to sit proper. Okay? Deep breaths, you too. Deep breaths.
Me?
Both of you.
Oh.
Bethany, deep breaths.
No.
You're still recording?
I have to be recording for the moment when they call and you freak out.
I'm not gonna freak out.
Oh, here comes Daddy. Daddy's spying.
Meeting postponed. Let you in soon. What are you doing? Meeting
Not on
postponed.
yet.
Let you in soon. Shut the door. Hello? Sorry, I can't hear y'all. So good. Headphones, mic. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm happy this happened actually. Okay, so what happened was Isaac came on and he got my name, so they know how to pronounce my name now. I'm so excited. I was worried about that the most. They know how to pronounce my name, at least he does. They're gonna come back on in 7 minutes, 6 minutes, and try again because they didn't do something.
They had something spontaneous.
Something
come up.
came up, and they're gonna call back.
So another 6 minutes of nerves while she
Well,
waits.
no, now I'm better. I've actually talked to him. He's a real person. So. I'm good now. I'm gonna be able to see them. Oh man, this is
Yeah, we thought it was just gonna be audio only. But
gonna be good. I'm excited. Now I'm just excited. No more nerves. I'm just excited now.
I'm still scared. These don't fit, Mom.
But at least you get to hear.
Did you guys hear him? Did you
Yeah.
hear him?
Oh yeah.
Did you hear him?
Yes. All right, the last 1 more minute,
The last 1 more minute.
hopefully.
They said about 10 minutes though.
Yeah, but he said, and then he said 7. It's 2:40.
Mm.
It's 2:40.
Hi.
This is going on a little longer than we expected. I really apologize. All I can say is if I did it,
Okay.
I don't know what your schedule is like today. If you have another 10 or 15 minutes, but I just about
All right, so scratch that. There will be another last 1 minute. They're still busy, so that's okay.
Which means I could probably have that smoothie.
You
Yeah.
probably, do you want me to go get it for you?
Yes,
Sure.
mine too.
Because you know what? Life happens. Even when you're a famous musician, we know what that's all about.
I feel much better about myself now because I was early and they're late. So crazy stuff happening. We tried Zooming with them twice. The first time something unexpected happened. Can we come back in 5 minutes? I was like, yeah, sure, no problem. 5 minutes goes by. They call back. He's like, hey, I am so sorry. Could we come back in like 15 minutes? Like at 3 o'clock? I was like, yeah, sure, why not? And I hope you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Hanson right now. You know what I'm talking about. You sent me the motivational speech, which was very heartwarming. All of you two may have also heard your motivational speech. So I just wanted to let you know it was happening. I'm waiting 15 minutes. Mother is bringing me a smoothie right now. And I'm not scared anymore. I am very excited. And he's just like joking. I was like, okay, I feel really good right now. Like, I can do
Don't
this.
spill your smoothie on the computer.
I'm trying not to spill my smoothie on the computer. I feel really good about this. I'm excited. So,
Now you're gonna have a clogged throat from your smoothie.
oh, should I not drink it?
Adri made us switch spots because she's a perfectionist.
Yeah, you can't have this side of my headphone and then go on that side.
I'm
of me.
connected to her headphones.
I are plugged into those headphones.
So Adri and Toby both have headphones that can plug other headphones into, so that's how we're doing this. So Bethany's don't have that ability. She doesn't have another plug, so she's the end of the line,
And the line.
which is good because we can't have too many more people in here or it will not be quiet for her interview. So we're at the time again. It's
1 minute past.
3:01, so any minute. And he came back on and he said, sorry, it's still going. I'm really sorry. Apologize profusely. Bumped it to 3. Adri's not gonna she's not gonna put her stuff away.
He's like, how's your schedule? I'm trying to be sensitive to your schedule. I'm like, I'm not doing anything today. It's fine. Okay, the interview just ended. It was a blast. It was awesome. It was great. Once we started getting at it, I was like, nah, these guys are my friends. Like, I don't need to be nervous. This is awesome. So that was an amazing time. That was something I will never forget. That was awesome.
I was probably more nervous than
oils,
she
your
was. I was just
oils,
nervous for
your
her.
oils.
So.
Yeah, she does that. She does that.
Dad must have dropped your oils.
Oh no, don't wreck the mic or the oils or any of that stuff.
So how did it go?
It was awesome. They saw
they would've
you.
seen me
I showed
recording.
you guys. They were like, oh, hey. At first we came on, he was like, okay, so if you want, you don't have to. We can do like video if you're okay with that. I was like, yeah, that's fine. They're like, okay. And then they were kind of like about to maybe like go through a big describing thing, and I just hit the button, and they're like, oh, there you are. Whoa, you've got some people in the background. Like, who are these people? And I was like, oh, this is my sister, and this is my mom. She's the original fan. They're like, how old's your sister? I was like, 8, and blah, blah, blah.
They're like, I know that's what we have.
That was so much fun.
Oh,
So they
roast it.
post on Instagram because they don't post the video of the actual.
No, they'll take like short little clips though to get people to wanna to want to join.
but
So
if
if
you
you're
dress-
interested in
dress-
how it went, go on Hanson.net, pay $40, and become a member, and you can listen to me over and over again.
And you might get chosen next time.
You might get chosen next time. I'm still shocked that I got chosen, so that was so cool. I'm so happy. We just finished the recording. It went super long. It was like an hour long, but I'm sure they're not going to put all of it on the podcast. That was so cool. That was like, I'm never going to forget that. That was the coolest thing I think I've ever done. It was really awesome. It was so cool.